Okay, finally we are almost in the end of our project, and now it's time to work on the delete functionality. If you just click on delete, so it has to delete our task, right? Okay, go back, and then this is the delete button. Where it is? Oh, now scroll down. Yeah, this is the delete button. If we just break it like that, and we just need a form here, form, right? And what about the action that will be created right now? And this form basically contains the delete button, and this time the button type would be submit, right? And then the action would be, if we just open up our web.php file, and then this time we will create the delete route delete, and then the task delete, and then ID of the task. Which task would you like to delete, right? And then again we will use the task controller, and the method would be destroy this time. And of course the name of the route would be task destroy or task delete. If you just copy this and then again go to our index or blade file, and yeah, we'll use the blade syntax here. Our route would be task.destroy, right? And the method would be post, and yeah, we need to use CSRF here, and then the method is delete. Basically this method refers to, if you just open a web.php file, the route is delete, so we have to tell the form the method of this form should be delete, so it will, Laravel will understand that is using the delete method. Okay, right, now if we just go to our tasks controller, and then we'll create a new method called destroy, and yeah, we just need to say task or the ID. Okay, if we just die and dump the ID, and make sure if we just go to index or blade, there should be something like, yeah, we need to pass the ID basically here, so we can say task ID, right? Just go back and refresh the page. Okay, route task destroy not defined. It is defined, but there would be task destroy. This is the name of the route, and paste it here. Oh, sorry, we just get the ID, and now we want to delete this. In short, now simply we'll use our controller, and down here I'll simply say, hey, just go to the task model where, and I can simply use the destroy method here, destroy the ID, right? And yeah, we need a message here, and this time we'll do something like redirect back, okay, along with some messages. And the message would be this time, for example, or error would be, okay, we'll add this message, and then we can say task has been deleted, right? And if you just check our blade file, this is our message here. Okay, just refresh the page, and if I just click on delete button, there it is, task has been deleted. It is deleting basically this fourth task, and if you just click, the fourth task has been deleted. Now we just have 3 tasks, right? So this is working exactly the same. Basically the aim of this project is to how you can start building small apps using Laravel framework. And of course in our next session we will be start building our project, which is admin panel project, and it has basically I want to say the admin panel, and it contains a front end which has a shopping cart, checkout, all this stuff, right? So I'll see you in the next video.